Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to filter by date in Google Sheets. Now, say for example, let's go ahead and use this table right here. And yeah, the first thing that we're going to do is just highlight everything. We're going to head over to data and click create a filter. And now that you should see something like this is the filter actually. You can click that one, filter by condition, and then you can click this and we're going to head over to date. Now, say for example, we're going to choose a before and let's say exact date. And what we're going to go ahead and try to check is filter the date before this particular event. Oops. Let's go back there. All right, and exact date. So it's going to be 2025 and 0501. So what we're aiming here is try to identify the products that has been delivered or is still being delivered before the actual date or before the start of the month. So this is going to be useful, say for example, for tracking inventory and delivery. So yeah, this is the dates, everybody. Again, you can go ahead and filter before the date, after the date, and exact date. So that is how you're going to filter by date in Google Sheets.